Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom, cut someone some slack, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to not judge someone so severely. Some of the teenagers have been walking around the town making lots of noise. Some parents were discussing it. I think it's disgraceful. I disagree. I think we should cut them some slack. They haven't got much else to do in this town. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. The father gave out to his son, who was shouting from upstairs. He didn't know his son was shouting because a car was coming onto the road that his sister was playing on. His wife said to him, "Cut him some slack. He was only looking out for his sister." The last day of school was upon them. The teachers were in really good humor. "I think I'll cut you guys some slack today. Let's all watch movies for the day." The man's father passed away recently. His wife did all the chores around the house while he was grieving. "I cut him some slack because he's going through a really tough time at the moment." Now, here are some more examples, this time in professional situations. The new recruit hasn't taken to the job as quickly as they'd hoped. "I think we should cut her some slack. She's new to this environment and needs time to adjust." The supervisor was on an employee's back about his performance of late. "Can you cut me some slack, boss? I've been really swamped this week with the other project too." After a really stressful year, the team still succeeded in their yearly goal. Management were discussing the future. "I don't think we should stop now. Let's kick on from here. As much as I agree, I think we should cut the team some slack, for a month at least." Where did you hear the expression, cut someone some slack? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to English Logica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.